Welcome to Wazobia TV on Top Star Times channel 195. And this, now as in the heart, the Ogbonge politic discussion show, when they carry the talk as the team be, so that you self go chook mouth for inside the matter, and the those where the matter concern go take the necessary action to move our country forward. We dey talk comes every weekday from 10 to 11, don't talk to Christmas. Because what the other people know fit talk, even though it is important, we dey talk am. And as the only television station when Fiki go to take you make pepper soup for you, we knock una with 3 telephone lines so that you self go contribute and everybody go hear you. My name na Ezugo Chukwudi, and as usual I know dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother wey sabi well as they concern politic matter as in the heart.
Good morning, our correct country people. Yes, that program don't come again. That Ogbonge program where they do it, where they give on our political activities where they happen for Obodo Nigeria. Chukwudi don't talk say we go open our phone line. Yes, because now we get a whole lot to talk today. That one they certain because with the issue we get for now today, now under hot sizzling Ogbonge matter. Yes, today as usual, as I talked before, today the issue will change. Now normal issue, and my name never still change, and my name now still remain Nkuvi. So Chukwudi.
On top of the topic today, we will discuss one issue where we say it don't touch the mind of plenty young people inside Nigeria. Information come out last week, say some kind men for inside this country, they carry visit, go the office of the DSS them, so that they go do security screening and other checks. Some people come talk say those people likely, now from them they go choose who go be minister. But people, when they watch and they observe, contact say, they don't check these people. Say, it be like say all of them now super eagles material. That is, no young person don't visit. People come they ask, say, share young people for Nigeria, they get future inside government. Not be just this government, inside government. Because if we break them down, check the history of our country. And now from young age, now plenty people don't they involved inside politics. Hang boot, they no agree hang boot. They still they play the thing, active. Whether young people get future for inside this government and government for inside Nigeria, now what we go discuss today as in the heart.
A lot of people don't come and talk, say, they don't hear this particular time, say we are the leaders of tomorrow, right from when then this month. Even as them be old men now, they say here we are the leaders of tomorrow. And they know for once, not any point in time where they even give them the opportunity to say, okay, can't take over a political position, can't take over this leadership position, or to say the same old set of people who don't know right from independence. Chukwudi, me will talk am. Who don't know right from independence. Where somehow they get, then they involve in government. That same set of people see they do it. Most of them. Don't then see they do it now. They run the affairs of this country. If they no pass them on to somebody who relate to them, they go pass them on to this thing. In fact, now like revolving thing. Oh yeah, you go round, you will go round again, go round. Then they allow person join that line. Like you know they happen. Because of how to say waiting, because of how to say Nafi decide the fate of Nigeria. Who will be young people who don't know what to fear is Nabi. That is why the country, to me, I'm not saying the country is not good, but then that's why some of the issues we will get down, at least it's a young bloods inside, like flying eagles them, like golden eagles them, that level. Would they at least go no say yes. At least people who go ginger, who go bring in new ideas, fresh ideas of waiting they invoke, go come in, they will put in their own ideas. And that's why they work. And they rely on past things when they help us. So
but who you know say Oga Presido be in talk say he go work with the very best. Say he go gather all the best people, come bring out the very best out. Because the kind of change what we need for this country, now change what we say, we need experience, we need passion, and we need people when they focused. Make we go check out. For one interview when Professor Patu Tommy do, he talk say at the age of 27, under the government of Alhaji Shehu Shagari, yes. Say they give him office of special advisor. People can ask him, say, Shena because of say you sabi Alhaji Shehu Shagari or they just like you. He say no. Say he don't prepare himself to fit stay for that position. Who could be make we talk through? If we look Nigeria today, look our young people, you think say we get plenty young people for this country when we say they prepared for leadership.
Chukwudi, we get them. Then plenty.
Begin the mention.
Chukwudi. Okay, may I mention the one of our guests?
I happy as you mention my name first.
I consider not your name. I don't even think of you. I don't say you know you get any leadership thought. I not just bring us. I not say you know get that sense of leadership. I not say you get passion for leadership, but hey, to hand over leadership to you, no forget that side.
Wait. Repeat that. Make a repeat.
You ask me question. And the question I want to answer now. We get somebody like Cheta Wanze. correct guy. We get someone like Yemi wey come to that time wey be enough is enough lady. These are people. We get people where we say once we see them, they will not say yeah, these people are give them just one position, small position. They go know as I will handle and work because then the issue of the nation they eat them deep down.
It could be the small position when them day or when they don't have
we know they see the results.
Tell Nigerians the results.
Chukudi, we know they see the results.
Tell Nigerians
we see them
the
they talk. We they see them they carry out actions. We they see that at least how me and you take know them.
Nkubi, no be about talking, no be about carrying action.
Actions, Nko.
Now about getting ready for the job and knowing the job. Everybody feel sit down, everybody feel talk. If
Chukudi,
old people when get there, when get experience, don't fail us. What about young people when we say, now woman they always they think about, now money they always they think about. Now to drive big motor, now most young people they think about.
You don't expose yourself.
Nkubi.
You don't expose yourself. See, now the kind of way they like
because for that kind thought, the fact say I they talk the truth.
To come out from your head, that is what you are made up of. I don't talk before, say leadership. You go, anyway, I don't say no be good leader, but somehow.
There is no denying the fact, say, the present reality when we face.
The present reality.
Waiting bad,
they give room for the present reality.
Don't spoil.
Listen to me. Waiting they give room for the present reality. Shebi now when the people waiting in place go say, okay, make we at least make we expand, make we allow this scope, make it circulate round, make we expand the network so that the younger people go fit come in and also give us their own thoughts. Once they don't block up all these spaces, I think younger person go get space to say what enter, make us get themselves involved.
The ones where they don't give younger people, the ones where they don't give younger people waiting they don't do.
A typical example.
Thank you very much. Nkubi, why e be say after we look this country finish, the only person when we say all of us decide say yes, he go fit change this country for us. Now our papa, how old be our papa? For December he go be 73 years. Why we look finish talk say this country plus old people plus young people everybody don't feel
ask you.
Excuse me, let me land. Don't ask me, let me land. Don't ask me, let me land.
I want to ask
I've not completed my question. I've not completed my question because before the election.
Okay. Talk.
I don't put you for tight corner.
You don't put me for a tight corner.
Before the election, I asked this question.
Well, hold on.
No.
Let me react to what you just said.
Don't react.
Let me react.
Don't react. Let me finish.
Who makes up that platform where they take bring a man say, okay, come represent us?
Who be the people when
all set of people?
Who be the people when decide say, now this man, now go lead us forward? Who could be me and you don't come this show several times? So say yes, we don't look everybody. Say the position when in day. Now only and go fit do am. You don't talk about you talk am.
Chukudi.
You don't talk about you talk am.
The question here is the
Nigerians, can you see?
The platform will bring them out. Will make us know say yes. If it do am. Why that same platform that is made up of the same old set of people not think of bringing out somebody who is young to say, okay, this is a young leader. Okay. We believe in him. I want Nigeria to believe in him. Make them push forward.
When that platform bring out the person when they feel say, now this man, I be the best man when go fit do am. No be Nigerians come out en masse. 15 million people will vote for them. Young people not there.
Now the same platform.
Nigerians, can you see?
Not the political platform where they invoke. Now the political party where they invoke say bring out these people. And Nigeria had no choice but to say make we do this thing.
Our Oga President Muhammadu Buhari no win that election because he didn't any political party. He win that election because of the kind person when he be. He win the election because of his
personal philosophy. Wetin define who he be.
Wetin be the article where Washington Post write? Washington Post write article say they don't check this man assets. They don't check the way they live in life. It's pattern and austere lifestyle. They come talk say this man might be the least corrupt leader
in Africa.
For the whole of Africa. So just by that assessment, they don't qualify. Say we get one person when we say he don't advance for age, he don't see so many things for this life, he don't get plenty experience, but he don't allow the sweetness of money and big things to come out. Who could be? Why all of us they beat our chest and talk say now he go be change this country? As young people, we need to be prepared. No, they come here, they tell me say make we give young people any opportunity. If you don't prepare, I give you no go spoil.
For young people to get themselves involved in government, the older set of people need to allow them get themselves, give them that ability to integrate. Because when they even talk, you think say younger people they corrupt. Who be the people who open their eye to corruption?
Which
open? Say old people. No.
It's a very big lie.
It's a lie.
It's a very big lie.
You need a lie.
I go because of this way you talk now. I go enter inside Bible, go find something now. Use and finish you now.
No enter. No for this.
You go say
what you want bring out?
What in the Bible talk? For inside
quote the verse, quote the chapter, quote the this thing. No, quote the verse,
you cannot command me to quote the verse.
You will have to come. I will command you to quote anything. Nigerians, you could won't quote Bible for me. Make it state the verse, the chapter of the Bible. Make it state the verse. Make it also tell me everything about them.
Okay.
In words.
Thank you.
Talk.
This thing when I want quote now, he did for where he did inside Bible.
You see,
he changed. You know,
Nigerians, you see,
you know, see follow.
Quote the Bible, whether that Genesis, I've been a Revelation, I've been a.
In the Holy Bible, in the book of, he did there say.
Criminal. You've just shown that your youthful age is corrupt as well. That's what it is. For you to underrate Bible, when they try play around Bible, it shows that your youthful age is corrupt.
You know, yeah, the thing when I quote, I say it is written in the Holy Bible.
In the Holy Bible.
In the Holy Bible. In the
which book of the Bible?
The book of the Holy Bible.
Which verse? If he call 500 or something, which chapter? You don't know.
Okay.
We could just read that one.
Make I use and give you assignment.
No, give me an assignment. If my papa will give me assignment, I mean my lecturer. The other assignment don't pass. I don't pass that one.
Make I quote the quote. Make you go find
an assignment.
Make I quote the quote. Make you go find them now. The Bible write them say, I have given you. You understand? I have given you. And make I put them for PG. I don't make mistake.
No! Quote them for English. Then can't tell us for Pidgin.
No. The Bible was originally not written in English.
Well, okay, we got Pidgin Bible.
You say what thing?
We got Pidgin Bible.
We don't get Pidgin television station.
We got Pidgin Bible.
No, we don't get Pidgin television station.
Pidgin Bible.
Which language may you speak?
No,
okay, who could be? Make I speak for Hebrew. Make I speak for Hebrew.
I speak for Hebrew.
Yes. Now.
Nigerians, I bet people will understand Hebrew. That is, if you could not go make na lost, make na just keep put na ear down, make we hear what you want to.
Now.
Hebrew.
Is there Bible?
Hebrew.
Written in Hebrew language.
Hebrew.
No, they talk Hebrew. Make I quote what I want.
Hebrew now. Now you want quote me. You speak Hebrew.
I know quote again. Why you want force me?
Say if I enter you, anywhere I enter it from, you could find a way to cut corner.
Why you not allow me quote what I want quote? Bible don't write them down. Say they don't give all of us.
You could I don't keep quiet. Put that Hebrew talk on.
Okay, make I use the one where everybody will understand. Because I know if I use Hebrew, even you say ordinary Uhuru when I talk here, you say you don't know Swahili. You come on make I use Hebrew.
Na Nigerian language.
Hebrew na Nigerian language.
And now you want speak at that say people understand Hebrew go feel.
Okay, thank you.
You know how they come. You see, it's not choking.
Not be choke me. Hebrew before you start, you must clear your throat because na only language.
Okay.
Now, first and foremost, make I bring a call from this angle now. Because the Holy Book, now the book of life, now the book when we say it contains so many things. The Holy Book, now it's supposed to guide us. The Holy Book, now it's supposed to direct us. Valentine don't call from Sule, now you go make me just hold this talk. Allow me to hold it up. Okay, Valentine,
good morning.
Good morning. Nkubi, I hear good morning. No?
Good morning.
Chukudi, I told you bad do you too much.
Thank you,
in fact, I dug my heart for you. Now, you see, Nkubi, you are not wrong, go. But you see, let's not be theoretical. We could just try run package onto the levels of reality.
Thank you.
Okay, our levels of reality. Okay, they hear
our
reality.
Our youth, they're very, very dynamic, and they're very creative, and they're very energetic.
Thank you.
But we need much more than that.
Oh!
Okay.
So like Chukudi talk, me, I'm just being blunt. Like Chukudi talk, our youth, what's in their head? No, just check about the songs they will sing today.
Who laid the platform for what they enter their head?
I go show you newspaper. Allow him talk.
Hold on, no. Just check out the songs where our youth, Nkubi, calm down first. See, listen, let me finish. Let me call, nobody call me. See, if you listen to the songs where our youth they sing today, I don't want to just call some songs because of they on air. Good. You see, the songs have no content.
Thank you.
They say they want to buy car, they want to do this, like Chukudi said. So, you see, I'm not, me, I'm a youth. We are all youth. Me, I would like to make our youth be leader, but there's still work to be done on their mentality.
Thank you very much.
They don't have direction or future. All they think.
No direction
now, if you ask a young girl now, say, we want marry. So what do you want in a man? They will tell you, say, I want somebody who has six pack, who is tall, he has shoulder, he has money. But me, I'm a married man. When I marry, I had no dime in my account. Now my wife even give money when we take go our family people. But right now, just 2 weeks before marriage, God blew. God showed up. So
Oga Valentine, thank you very much. This one you don't talk now. You don't finish
I will
today.
react to Oga Valentine.
You cannot react to
I will
himself.
react.
You cannot
Thank you.
react.
Oga Val, thank you very much.
You
for
cannot
coming.
react.
First thing first, you say youth where they sing. I accept say yes, you get some of our youth where they sing right now. We say they lyrically.
Plenty of our youth, no be some. Plenty of our youth.
Even in the midst of this same youth where they sing, we get people who also believe say their lyrics stay very strong. He also mentioned direction of future. Who will be prepared supposed to lay the platform for this direction of future to take place? No, it's all set of people who not agree to do what they're supposed to do. We got Oga Chukwudi from Owerri. Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Chukwudi, my brother. Good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Yes, Chukwudi, my brother. Honestly, I will disagree with you this morning. Seriously. You see, you now will be Chukwudi as you
Thank you.
If they make you governor of a state, you never feed handle them.
No question.
If they give you president of this country, you go rule well. What you need now, people will good day by your side. They give you one professional advice or the other. What are we talking about? All these people now, where they charge for corruption, billion. They be young people, not the old men.
Whoa!
Tell me how many of our young boys where they don't charge now for this billion naira corruption still here and there. It is all about self-discipline. There are so many prominent young people. Give them opportunity, they will excel. Give them chance, they will excel. But these old people do not want to spare a chance for them to grow. Myself, I've been hearing this future leadership. When is our future going to come? Is it when we are 80 years? You now where the could be. If they make you governor of a state, you go do well.
No.
Thank you very much.
What you need is to have people who are professionals to surround you. What are we talking about? These people should give us a chance. Give these young men a space to test them. They will now excel. It's all about self-discipline. It's all about self-contentment. These people these old men, they have nothing to stake. They are there to, they just want to die in office.
Oga Chukwudi, thank you very much. You don't talk on the way I want and the way my mind, they also they talk on Chukwudi. Oga Chukwudi looking finish.
Say, see,
hey,
when
let me not even say
when Oga Chukwudi call
your
people when excuse
me,
when Oga Chukwudi call people when he become governor, when he call me, I agree with him. When he call you, come they happy. Who could be? You when me say the time when you go primary school, now old national anthem, now that they sing.
Me.
You come there, they form young
Look
boy. You come there, they form young boy.
If they hear what Chukwudi talk, me, old national anthem.
No, be when
make I recite national anthem for you now.
Old national anthem.
Oga Obiora, I beg, talk to this. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
We dey fine.
Oga
You see what I want to talk, Our youth today, and I tell you true, our future no bright at all.
Oh.
So, you know why I say this? If you look at this from military regime, from 1999, it's only Goodluck Jonathan. He's somebody that doesn't have father that is former president or vice former president.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.